Welcome to Devices Help and Support, your ultimate destination for all things related to the device's setup, troubleshooting and optimizing your tech experiences. Need help setting up your Netgear EX6200 Wi-Fi range extender? In this tutorial, we walk you through the entire setup process step by step, so you can extend your Wi-Fi coverage and eliminate dead zones at home or the office. We'll cover both the WPS method for quick, easy setup and the manual method if you prefer more control over the configuration. By the end of this video, you'll be able to place your EX6200 extender in the optimal location and enjoy a stronger, more reliable Wi-Fi connection. Firstly, we start with the unboxing, giving you the cleanest review of the product that what comes in the packet. Inside the Netgear EX6200 extender box, you'll find the EX6200 Wi-Fi range extender itself, designed with two external antennas for extended coverage and performance. Alongside the extender, there's a quick start guide to help with setup, an Ethernet cable for wired connections, and a power adapter. So let's start the setup process. First of all, plug in your Netgear EX6200 extender and power it on. Wait for the power LED to turn green, indicating that it's fully on. On your computer, tablet, or smartphone, go to your Wi-Fi settings and connect to the extender's default network. It will appear as Netgear_EXT. Alternatively, you can connect the extender to your computer using an Ethernet cable. Launch any web browser. In the address bar, type mywifixt.net and press enter. If the page doesn't load, you can also try entering 192.168.1.250 as the URL. Alternatively, you can connect the extender to your computer using an Ethernet cable. You will be prompted to log in. If this is your first time setting up the extender, the default credentials are username, admin password. You'll be asked to set up security questions and change the default login details to something more secure. After logging in, the setup wizard will automatically start. It will guide you through the process of connecting the extender to your existing Wi-Fi network. Select your Wi-Fi network. The extender will scan for available networks. Choose your existing Wi-Fi network, SSID, from the list. Enter your router's Wi-Fi password to allow the extender to connect to your network. You may be prompted to rename the extended network or keep the default one, e.g., your network name with _EXT at the end. You can also set different security settings, such as changing the password for the extended network. Once the setup is complete, the extender will reboot. You'll see confirmation that it has successfully connected to your router. With these steps, your Netgear EX6200 should be properly set up and extending your Wi-Fi network. Now your setup is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. In case you face any type of difficulty, you are free to contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. Our experts team will always guide you. Thank you so much to watching our video. And lastly, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our your YouTube channel Devices Help and Support. Stay tuned for more updates.